Hey everyone, so this is lesson 2 where we're just going to continue our discussion with converting exponential and logarithms. So it's just a few more practice questions. So here in this, the first part of the do now, where they want us to find the inverse of the following function. Remember, the main idea about the inverse is that we're flipping what we consider x and y. So I guess in the case here, it would essentially be written like this. But we don't keep it like that. So our inverse is one where we're going to move the 3 over here, get log base 3x, and this will be equal to our inverse function. Part B, write the log given in exponential form. So I'm going to take the base 8, move it over so it's the base with the y. Drop the log, and I'm left with 1 over 512. Okay. Now, I do want to point out the main reason, before I go over the next question, the main reason why we even worry about doing this stuff is so that we can answer questions like that. A lot of times we have a scenario where the variable is in the numerator, and we may not be able to write it in a way that will give us like bases. Now, in a lot of the cases that you'll see, it probably will end up being like bases, but it is possible that you might see a question that doesn't have that. So if we can actually rewrite it like up in here, where we have y equals log base 8, 1 over 512, we can actually plug that into the calculator to get an actual answer for what y should be equal to. And in the case of this, what we would end up getting is log 8, 1 divided by 512, y equals -3. Like I said, in this case, you could probably figure that out, but there are other examples where the number won't be as nice. You might not even be able to write it as a fraction. All right, so we'll go through the guided practice, and then it'll end up being a similar thing where I'm not going to go over the independent questions. That'll just be something that you'll have to do on your own. All right, so let's see. We're going to take the 4, move it over so it's base with the 2. I'm left with the 1/2. And I have this. Over here, I'm going to take the 3, move it over so it's the base over here, add a log, and I end up getting this. This question, the 14 is my base. I get moved over here. The -2 stays on the left. Log base 14, 1 over 196. Here we have the log, so we're going to drop it. And by doing that, we have to move this 3 over to here. So I get 27 equals 3 to the 3rd. I'm going to take the y over here, move it onto this side. Drop the log. And I have x equals y to the -8. Over here, the u is my base. It's going to get moved over here. Drop the log. So I have v on the left, u to the -16. And I think that's it. Yeah, so work on the rest of the questions. Again, they're just continuations of everything that we've been doing, with going from log to exponential and exponential to log. All right, if you have any questions, feel free to let me know. Otherwise, good luck, and I'll see you later.